It was supposed to be our getaway, but the world had other plans. Left behind the noise, the deadlines, in search of silence, in search of each other. The peaks of the Balkans, they have stood there for centuries, watching generations rise and fall. And now they welcomed us, step by step, breath by breath. There, the world feels different. The stress you carried for years dissolves into the air. You're not escaping life. You're remembering how beautiful it really is. We came to disconnect. We found something deeper. Empowered by the views, it was our time to be back.
Iran has tonight launched retaliatory strikes on Israel.
Now airlines are extending their suspension of their Tel Aviv routes, leaving Israelis abroad stranded and limiting outgoing travelers as well.
The moment an Iranian missile struck Tel Aviv, 7 people were injured in that strike. The Israeli military saying that their entire nation is now under fire.
We moved south, keeping eyes on the phone, waiting for the news, any news. It's hard to enjoy the views while family and friends are in danger. should have increased our chances to get a flight. And after additional 4 days in Italy, we finally got back home.